Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at our Carnival Horizon Ocean View room tour. So this was the hallway when you first entered in. And this was the closet space. And this was the second closet space. This one had shelves and the safe and some drawers at the bottom. And this was the desk, which had a mirror and some shelves as well. And this room was unique because it had two bathrooms, which is not normal for a cruise stateroom. And so this one was the first of the two bathrooms. This one had a shower, a toilet, and a sink, and it was bigger. And this one is the second of the two bathrooms. This one had a tub and a sink. There was no toilet and it was smaller. And that couch turned into a sofa bed, and above it is the bunk bed. And that is the queen size bed and the TV. And that is the end of our room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you guys in the next one.